Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Syhlinum Part 2. To start with, please note the following points were already discussed in Part 1. Number 1, source of the remedy. Number 2, what type of remedy Syhlinum is. Number 3, what is the sphere of action of Syhlinum. Number 4, what are the therapeutic uses of Syhlinum. Number 5, mental general symptoms of Syhlinum. Number 6, physical general symptoms of Syhlinum. Number 7, general aggravation and melioration of Syhlinum. Number 8, head symptoms of Syhlinum. Number 9, eye symptoms of Syhlinum. Number 10, ear symptoms of Syhlinum. Number 11, nose symptoms of Syhlinum. Now we will enter into the Part 2. First symptoms of Syhlinum: old looking, pale, wrinkled, pain over right eye, worse, protruding tongue, twitching of eyelids and eyes and eyelids, paralysis one-sided with difficult speech and mastication. Mastication means chewing. Mouth symptoms of Syhlinum: teeth decay at the edges. Feeling as if they are all out of place. Toothache better pressing them together. Worse from hot or cold things. Teeth cupped in children. Cup sepet erosion. Children. Tongue coated, indented. Deep longitudinal crack along center. Ulcers that burn and smart. This is deep longitudinal crack and this is indentation on the edge. Excessive flow of saliva during sleep. Aphasia with paralysis of tongue. Aphasia, mind, is a very serious type of disease. In aphasia, the patient, due to brain lesion, he cannot understand written words or spoken words. Aphasia. These are all syphilitic, deep acting disease. There is origin syphilis, and Syhlinum works here very, very nicely and can show magic. Throat symptoms of Syhlinum: soreness moving from left to right, worse from cold drinks, chronic hypertrophy of tonsils with syphilitic taint. This is chronic hypertrophy of tonsils. Syphilitic taints, you can get this from history of the patient. Stomach symptoms of Syhlinum: total loss of appetite for months, no food satisfies him, vomiting for weeks and months, capricious appetite, craves alcoholic liquors, averse to meat. Abdomen symptoms of Syhlinum: obstinate constipation, rectum as if tight, fissures in anus. Fissures. This is fissure. This has a crack in the anal end. Fissures. Painless, bilious diarrhea, worse at seashore, drives patient out of bed at 5 a.m. Urinary symptoms of Syhlinum: nocturnal enuresis. Urine frothy, scanty eolus, can pass urine better while standing. Urinates profusely only once in a day. Male genital symptom Syhlinum: chancres, aching in genitals, cannot sit still, nodules formation in the testes, spermatic cord and scrotum. Female genital symptom of Syhlinum: menses, have putrid meat-like odor. Putrid meat-like odor, that is carrion odor. Profuse yellow, obviously acrid liquoria runs down from thighs to heels, overflowing napkins. Sore ulcer on vulva with ovarian pain, cutting pain in ovary during coition at moment of orgasm, itching of genitals, habitual abortion. Mind is habitual abortion. Syhlinum is one of the greatest remedy to prevent habitual abortion. Breasts feel sore, sensitive to touch during menses or otherwise. Chancre of syphilis on tongue, look like this. Chancre syphilis look on tongue. Generally it is seen in the genital region, but it can be seen also on tongue within buccal cavity. Respiratory symptoms of Syhlinum: dry cough, worse when lying on right side at night. Continuous pain at larynx, worst on touching throat, worse on touching throat. Aphonia means loss of voice, especially before menses. Chronic asthma, especially worse in summer during thunderstorm, at night in humid weather. heart symptom syphilinum, pain from base to apex. This is called apex of the heart, and these are the base of the heart. Pain from base to apex of the heart at night, from left nipple up to the mid clavicle, left clavicle. Left nipple to externally, it is from left nipple to the left mid clavicle. Large soft pulse as if hot water flowing through artery. Neck and back symptom of syphilinum. Neck felt drawn and short. Pain in back at region of kidneys. Worse after urination. Pain at coccyx with sensation of swelling. Worse when seated. Extremity symptoms of syphilinum. Pain at the insertion of deltoid. Worse from raising hand laterally or in front. Osteosarcoma. Mind this, osteosarcoma is a cancer of bone. Cancer of bone, osteosarcoma is cancer of bone, of tibia bone in the center. This is tibia osteosarcoma, X-ray photograph of osteosarcoma in tibia. Itching eruptions about elbows, cold pain in legs, pain in bones as if thawed, bilateral ectosis. Bilateral ectosis. Ectosis means actually inflammation or swelling of bone. This is bilateral ectosis. Sore, painful, shin bone, painful, better from pouring cold water on them. Sciatica, worse at night. This is sciatica nerve. Sciatica nerve runs from hip to heels. This is the most lengthy and thick and tough nerve in the body, sciatica. The nerve, the pain of this nerve is called sciatica, the disease. Worse at night, knotty swelling in muscles, in rheumatisms. Soles painful with feeling of contraction. Worse standing, cannot sit on low chair or squat. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got anything to say, please write down in the comment section. I will certainly respond. Skin symptoms of syphilinum. Swollen and blotches. Biting as from bugs on the skin. Wandering erysipelas, conical crust, bully. This is erysipelas. This is conical crust, and these are bully. Distorted nails. This is nails are distorted. Coppery colored skin. This symptom, I have collected these images for you so that you can understand while sitting in the chamber what is what symptom. This, if you once you know that this is coppery colored eruption, whenever you see, you can remember this. Yes, it is a coppery colored and it is available in syphilinum. As if same, the destruction or just distortion of the nails. How these are distorted, how a bully looks like, how erysipelas looks like. However, with this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got anything problem, please write out in the comment section. I will certainly respond.